So now I'm going to show you a real quick and cheap pre-payday pasta. And the idea behind this is all we've got left in the fridge, a few little bits and bobs. Rather than throw them away, we're going to combine these ingredients, mix it in with the pasta, and it's absolutely delicious and probably costs in the region of 50p, maybe less. So let's get to it. So firstly, I'm going to prepare the ingredients outside of the pasta. And what we're going to do is take a sharp knife and just run this down the chilli, the centre of the chilli, all the way down to the tail, and just leave it like that. And the idea is we want to sit that in the oil and just let that oil infuse with them chili flavours. Then we're going to half a tomatoes. So we're going to get the pan, let the oil infuse with the garlic and chilli first. Whilst that's cooking, we're going to put the spaghetti in and then combine it all at the end. So we're going to heat the pan up nice and high, put a nice drizzle of olive oil in there. Then, as we said before, we're going to get the chilli, put this at the side of the pan, and we're just going to tilt the pan and let the chilli and the garlic just infuse that oil. This is what's going to really flavour the pasta. So we're going to sit that there for a few minutes, let it soften, and let them flavours infuse. So now we're going to put the pasta in. It's going to take about 9 minutes. Now we're going to put the sliced cherry tomatoes in the pan. So now we're going to take the chilli out and the garlic. And what I'm going to do is, now this depends on your heat tolerance for chilies. You might want to taste the oil first and see how hot it is. But I'm going to go straight ahead and chop this up nice and finely. And then simply put the thick end of the blade on the garlic, press down, and that just squashes lovely there. And I'm going to scoop that back up, straight back into the pan, exactly the same with the chilies. I'm going to go back over to the pan to add the pasta. So now we're going to take the cooked pasta, no need to drain it off separately, just let a little bit of the water run out there, drop it straight into the pan with all the chilli, garlic and tomatoes. Then what we're going to do is get probably half a ladle of the pasta water there and just put that in. That'll help it thicken up nicely. Then we're simply going to keep stirring this pasta. So we're going to keep this on a little while longer, and you just really need to keep your eye on it. We want to reduce that pasta water down. We're almost there, actually. So now the pasta's finished cooking, it's soaked up most of that pasta water. We're just going to put a little bit of parsley in here, just give it a nice bit of colour, extra bit of flavour. Stir that in, and then we're going to go and serve immediately. So we're going to grab as much of the spaghetti as we can like that. Turn it round in the ladle, give it a nice circular shape, and then just release as best we can. And then just repeat that. And what we're going to do with them tomatoes is just dot them round. A little bit of extra spaghetti. Hit it with an extra bit of parsley for garnish. And there we go. A meal made up of just scraps left in the fridge, roughly around 50p, maybe a little bit less, and there's a meal.